It's all about taking a brand that belongs to Samoa, which is Vailima, and we're going to take this to our new market, USA. The strategy behind it is to follow our people, and we do this with humbleness and meekness as well. It's an exciting time for Vailima breweries to be entering into the US market. And we know certainly that there's a lot of Samoans and those who used to live here and in Samoa and in American Samoa that have moved to the US. This is about taking a bit of home with you and keeping it up there in the US with yourselves. But in the bigger scheme, it's an honour and a pleasure to be giving such a wonderful product to the USA and for them to indulge in as well. Our other part of the strategy is to help grow Samoa as well, and not only Vailima that we want to take to the world, but we want to announce to the USA that there are other very, very fine products that are made here in Samoa also that also can enter in the market. So this is just the footstep, and we're using an iconic brand in Vailima and getting up to the USA, and then hopefully that'll be a roll-on effect for every other product that comes out of Samoa.